Hello, welcome to Gateslicks. This is my Mk1 Golf Volkswagen. I'm in the process of building, converting it to all-wheel drive, and I want to make a video about it. In the front, like a quick introduction to the car. There is going to be a 1.8 20 valve engine from the first generation Audi S3, this engine. I made Golf Mk1 engine mounts for the engine side. On the gearbox side, I'm using the stock mountings with an adapter to the gearbox. In the rear, I'm using like a dog bone mount. Same concept as the Mk4 Golf and S3 has, which goes from the chassis underneath the gearbox and mounts to the gearbox, so the engine doesn't move like this. I'm going to use the aftermarket DCU, Max DCU Street. This is DCU, some relays, another relay box for this. The prop shaft is from the S3, Audi S3. It's been shortened, so it fits. Now it's not mounted up. It's disconnected from the mounts here. Because I had to do it when I took the engine out. In the rear, the Mk1 Golf has the fuel tank underneath the car, but like the car is now with all-wheel drive setup, there is no room for a fuel tank underneath. Well, you can make room, but this was the easiest way. This is a fuel cell mounted. I cut out all the floor. The battery is in the rear, of course. Fuel pump, fuel filter. This is the rear subframe. This has been from a Mk2 Rally, Golf Mk2 Rally, but I have made my own mount, so I can use the Haldex diff from the S3 because the synchro rear diff, it's not gonna be good enough. And I'm also using Haldex controller from SQS Racing. Only one seat. Got this from a friend. Borrowing it. It's really not good looking, but yeah, that's about it for now.